Hello, music students. Welcome back. This week is a little different. Instead of doing a separate video, I am embedding my video into my Google slide because I wanted to share my virtual campground with you. So it's June. The weather is warm. Many of you may have already gone camping, or maybe you've had a fire in your backyard and roasted some marshmallows. It is the season for campfires. And so we need some songs to sing around our campfire. I thought this would be a good time for us to review some simple songs that your parents and grandparents also probably know, so you can sing them together as a whole family. So let's take a look here. This is my Google slide. This is Mrs. Holden's campfire, and I am warming my hands over the fire. I've got my ukulele here, and my tent, and a starry sky. So if you check out the top here, you'll see links to a bunch of different songs that I've chosen for us to work on this week. Let's say you want to practice Aram Sam Sam, or maybe you don't know that one and you're thinking, what is that? I need to check that song out. So you're just going to click on that link and you'll see a picture of the slide with the lyrics. If you click on that, then you're going to start loading up the next slide, which has the music and the words for that song, Aram Sam Sam. So here we go. It does take a little bit longer than usual to load, and that's because I had some fun with the Bitmoji extension here, and I created some little characters that are supposed to be me. This one's hiking in the woods, right? So I'm sticking with our camping theme. So here we have our words, which are very silly for this song. And then down here, you're always going to look on the slide for this little tiny speaker. And once you scroll over that, you'll see the play button pop up. You can click on the play button and you're going to hear, I'm just going to turn it down a little bit, hear our song, and you can sing along. Aram Sam Sam, Aram Sam Sam, gooey 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 gooey, Ram Sam Sam, Arati, Arati, gooey 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 gooey, Ram Sam Sam. All right, and it would go on to the second verse, but let's go back to the campfire for a minute and pick another song. You Are My Sunshine is probably one we all know. So once again, I'm just going to click on that title and I'm going to click on the slide and it's going to take me to You Are My Sunshine and start loading up the words and the pictures for that song. Now this time, we're going to see that I have a picture of a little campsite. There it is. The sun is coming up. It's early morning. There we go. That looks so peaceful, doesn't it? And here are the words to our song. And once again, now look, the audio, the song is not down here. So you're going to have to look around. I found it up here. There's my speaker. I scroll over it and hit play. And here we go. My sunshine, my only sunshine, you make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you, so please don't take my sunshine away. All right, so that's it. It's pretty easy to use. So I hope that you'll take some time this week and sing through these songs and have some fun with them. Maybe your family members will gather around with you and review the words and sing the songs with you. And then next time you're out by a campfire, you'll have some songs to sing. All right, enjoy the beautiful weather. Have a great week. I'll be back next week. Bye, guys.